Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create this AI digital cartoon photo on TikTok. So if you want to change yourself to an AI cartoon photo, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, first go to your App Store. Go ahead and search for TikTok and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Now, once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. In the app, you're going ahead and tapping on search and you're searching for AI digital cartoon. So this is the filter which you're going to use, AI digital cartoon. Now for those of you who cannot see this in the search results, you can go ahead and find the video that are doing the trend. So for example, this one here, and you'll be able to see it just above the username. However, if you still don't see it, then unfortunately it's not available in your region. I will put a link in my YouTube video here in the description down below, so you can go ahead and tap on it and see if that works for you. If it doesn't, then unfortunately it's not available in your region. So to use this, go ahead and tap on Use this effect. Now you want to go ahead and show your face, or you can point it to someone else. Then tap on Record and then tap on Screen. This will now take a picture, and then it will basically turn your photo into a digital cartoon. Once you're happy, tap Next. And now you can go ahead and post this to your TikTok video. So there you go guys, that is how to create yourself the AI digital cartoon trend video on TikTok. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.